Welcome. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ATCS, the Academy for Technology and Computer Science at the Bergen County Academies. The first question candidates often ask us is, will I fit in? What is an ATCS student like? We'll answer this question over the next slides, but the fact is, we're a diverse group of individuals with a wide variety of interests and talents. There is no cookie-cutter mold of the ideal ATCS student. Some of our students love to build products. They'll go immediately into the marketplace. Others have passions for the natural sciences and want to use CS in those subjects. Some of our students are artists or musicians looking to integrate those passions into technology. Many of our students love to participate in competitions, and the list goes on. Indeed, we are a diverse group, each bringing our unique personality and interests to the Academy. The thing that brings us together is our excitement for and interest in technology. In ATCS, we pride ourselves on not just learning computer science, but in doing computer science. Have you visited the BCA admission site? It was built by ATCS students. At the end of the school day, BCA students need to find their bus among about 40 buses in our lower parking lot. How did they find it? Using a tool built by ATCS students. The breadboard you see in the middle of the page, one of our students took our processor design elective and was so enthralled with the topic, over the summer he built a hardware implementation of the chip he designed in the elective. Many of our students love to compete. Competitions are a great opportunity to go beyond the curriculum and push yourself to mastery in certain topics like computer security. Competitions are fun and motivational. Here are some of the competitions that our students actively participate in. Regardless of where you attend high school, I encourage you to check these out. They are great opportunities to learn more. The American Computer Science League is an international competition that combines theoretical and practical computer science. CTFs, or Capture the Flag competitions, are an excellent way for many of our students to learn about computer security. CyberStart and Pico CTF are two popular CTF competitions. Algorithmic coding competitions like the USA Computing Olympiad and the Canadian Computing Competition challenge participants to solve difficult computational challenges in a limited amount of time. Many of our students enjoy creating events for the broader community. Two frequent events at BCA have included BCA CTF, an online security competition, and Hack BCA, a multi-day coding challenge in which students work in teams of their choosing to build new innovations. Let's take a moment to talk about the ATCS curriculum. All BCA students take the same basic core set of classes in math, English, history, world language, and such. In addition to these common classes, each ATCS student also takes one required Academy-specific class each year. In 9th grade, ATCS students take Intro to Computer Science, which introduces students to all the basics of coding, including control flow, methods, objects, event-based coding, and such. The first half of the year is taught in Python. The second half of the year is taught in JavaScript. During 10th grade, students take AP Computer Science and Data Structures, which is aligned to the College Board's curriculum with some additional units on data structures. Some examples of data structures that the students learn in this course include stacks, queues, linked lists, trees, heaps, and hash tables. In 11th grade, we focus on the theoretical aspects of computer science, learning the mathematics and theoretical underpinnings of the discipline. Students examine how we can prove assertions about code and explore the fundamental capabilities and limitations of computers. Part of this year is learning functional programming as well. Finally, in 12th grade, students combine their learning to work on a team to develop a product for an external client. Through this project, students learn product development and management skills in addition to developing their coding prowess. Beyond the core curriculum, we offer a broad range of optional electives. BCA students can take electives from any of the academies. Electives are a great opportunity to check out a new subject to see if it interests you. They are also a great opportunity to take a deep dive into a particular topic. We encourage our ATCS students to take electives from all of our BCA. There are so many incredible offerings across all subjects. In ATCS, we have electives on computer fundamentals like assembly language, processor design, and C. We also have electives on the practical end, game development, web app development, and machine learning. This list is always changing as the technology continues to develop. So there's some frequently asked questions. First one is, do I still need to take biology, chemistry, gym, math, and such? And the answer is yes, absolutely. All BCA students must take the core classes required of all New Jersey high school students. Second question is, can I take electives in other areas, or am I limited to computer science? And the response is yes, we encourage you to take electives from across the school. Every BCA student is free to do this, and we limit you in no way to computer science. We actually encourage you to try electives from other disciplines. Next, most importantly, I have not coded before. Can I still succeed in ATCS? And the answer is absolutely. In our typical 9th grade class, most of the students have little to no experience. So they might have done a little bit of code.org in middle school, or had an elective class for a quarter in middle school or something like that. Only 10 to 15% of the students have significant coding experience. So our courses, particularly our 9th grade course, is designed for students with little to no coding in mind. If you've had some coding, we will quickly catch up to what you've learned and move beyond it within the first couple weeks. If you have significant experience, we tailor some particular learning for you during 9th grade. The key is to have an interest in technology and in computer science. If you have that interest, you will succeed in ATCS. Finally, ATCS is a community. We enjoy working together, building together, and creating together. We would love to have you join us.